its hide. A tale unfolds of a twisted pride. Whispers echo, the truth will be revealed. The downfall of a liar, their fate unsealed. Once a king in a kingdom of deceit, with silver tongues and a heart that's beat, built a castle on lies in a world of shame. But each crumbling brick calls out their name. Behind the mask they danced with the dark, casting shadows, leaving their marks. But the winds of change howl through the night, as the truth awakens, ready to fight. Oh, the downfall of a liar.